Hello students. In previous topic we have studied about the annual average temperature and rainfall graph. Now we will go to study about the explanation of Brazil. Student, in this topic we will take information about the Brazil that as Brazil has vast latitudinal extent, it experiences wide range of climatic variation. For example, near equator, it is hot, while temperate type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. And then parts of the Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. Okay, and the escarpment act as the obstructions to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds get reduced. As result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is rain shadow region, and it's called drought quadrilateral. Considering the temperatures in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot, while the temperatures in the southern part are comparatively lower. Near the equator Brazilian coast, temperature does not vary much. And in the coastal region near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperatures are negligible. The winds move in the vertical directions in this region. Similarly, the convergence zones of the trade winds is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That's why tropical cyclones rarely visit coast of Brazil. And the parts of Brazilian highland extend up to the northern coast. Okay. The escarpment act as obstructions to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds get reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. The region is a rain shadow region. Okay, we have studied about the rain shadow regions, and the most of the part of Brazil lies in the tropical zone, and the equator passes through the northern part of the country. The temperature is more in this region. The average temperature in the Amazon Valley is 25 degree minus 28 degree Celsius, and the climate is cooler in the highlands because of the proximity of the sea. The coast experiences mild and humid climate. The Amazon Valley receives around the 2000 millimeter of the rainfall. Thus, I hope you understood these topics, students. And today's homework is write the information about the Brazil. Thank you, students.